Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, June 17, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, June 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, June 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, June 17, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 44 million pesos for June 17, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, June 17, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.